Welcome to this Wood Solutions presentation introducing the field and concepts of wood properties. Wood has unique characteristics when it is compared to other building materials. Timber is natural, renewable and recyclable. It is also highly workable while being biodegradable, hygroscopic and being variable across and between trees. If we look at any piece of timber or timber element, it is evident that the material has particular properties that are important to how it is used. These properties can be sorted into groups, such as these, aligned with their requirements in different types of applications. First, there are basic properties such as density, hardness and impact resistance. Then there are properties that relate to timber's structural performance, such as its stiffness or its strength, or the strength group of species, and the characteristics of the piece and how they influence strength. Then there are properties that relate to timber's durability when exposed to environmental hazards, such as its durability when placed in the ground or exposed above ground, and its resistance to attack from termites and its liquid susceptibility. Fire performance is important for many applications, and the relevant wood properties are its char rate, its rating when exposed to bushfire, and a whole range of other fire hazard properties required by building regulations. Timber's performance in moderating or controlling aspects of the built environment are also important, and properties that influence this area include the wood's conductivity and insulation properties, its specific heat capacity, its acoustic performance, and its resistance to impact from chemicals. There are also aspects of its visual character to consider, including the wood's colour and consistency of colour in the piece, and its grain, its texture, and its figure. Sometimes these properties relate simply to the timber species, while at other times they relate to the qualities of the actual piece of timber of that species. Species-related properties include its basic and its structural properties, its durability, and its fire, thermal, and acoustic performance. Properties that also relate to the board of a particular species include its visual character, such as its colour and its feature, and the strength of the piece. In summary, each species and piece of timber has specific properties. These properties influence the way we use timber in building and design. These can be sorted into groups aligned with their requirements in applications. Some properties relate to the species, while others are also influenced by the board's characteristics.